Hello, today we're going to be doing a monthly inspection. So this is the inspection for April. Now let's put it in a walk test. So let's go into programming. Let me zoom this. Let's see. Programming, password. We're going to go down to walk test and we're going to do audible. It says unit and walk test. So, leave the panel open. First, let's test just the panel saying it's in walk test. Just test the Johnson Controls BG10, which I forget the exact model number. I might put it in the video. These used to be adjustable, but I took the module off. Okay. Okay, that works. Key switch, which is in a different zone. Okay, let's get our simplex key. STI stopper 2. That works. And our BG12. BG12L. And I know you don't have to flip the switch up, I like doing it. Carbon monoxide, that shouldn't activate the panel. I like testing it. Let's test A3, which is on zone 2, I think. I labeled everything. FACP spoke. Mini system test. It's coming out soon. That's everything from down here. So now let's go upstairs. Okay, you see the door closed because please reset maybe, I don't know. Okay, here's the N80 270 SPO, Edwards 270 SPO, Spoke Short Classic, the FCI version, and an i3. The Firelight key. That in, it's unlocked. Now, got my Silent Night screwdriver. And hang on. It's my cat. Okay. Let's open that up. The switch. And door closed. Close that back up. Security panel's dead right now because I have a programming fault and it goes off every 24 hours. Okay. And you see it just says pulse station second 4, zone 4. And let's scroll through. We have FACP wall poles. Those are all the pole stations on the wall. It's zone 1. CO test switch is a simplex key switch. That's on zone 5. That's another pole station on the wall. Another one. FACP smoke. That's the i3 next to the panel. Second 4, zone 4. That's that. So that's everything we've tested so far. Let's turn that back so it doesn't go in alarm. And let's test it using my new homemade smoke saber. And we can, and this is good now because I can smoke test this without setting off the smoke alarms. You might be able to hear that. There it goes. See the red light? Hunt zone already activated. Hopefully the smoke alarms don't go off. Okay, now let's finish the test and finish this test by doing a bell test. 3, 2, 1. That works. Here's one of the main 4 are installed also. Oh, never mind, it doesn't work. This will explain it. That's what powers on my mini horns. Okay, for real this time. 3, 2, 1. That works. And these don't work. Silence. And audible silence is on, which I know technically isn't up to code anymore for my state, but I like it. So it's a real firearm system. So now let's reset. That was a pretty quick test, but I'm trying to make my videos a little quicker. If you want, I have another channel called Fire Alert Random, where I post random videos. Right now I have a couple of videos on my Minecraft server, which is not public yet. It's going to be public though.